Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I ordered a mystery bag from Aberdeen's here in Canada. I think this is the first time I've ever ordered from them. Okay, I just noticed this says Barocco Cocoa. I'm excited. All right, so let's open it up. This is a mystery bag. I'll give you pricing and all that later. Let's see, I think, yeah, I'll give it to you later. For now, let's just open this up and see what's in here. Oops, what's that? Okay. Maybe I'm not so excited about that cocoa. But we'll find out. It's early in the morning, September, what is it today? The 6th, I think, 2023. You'll probably see this next week. Okay, maybe I'm not so excited, but anyway, or maybe I am. Oh, okay. That's interesting. It's very, very soft. Okay, what do we have here? We have Barocco Cocoa, 100% superwash merino wool. Okay, I've never had this fiber. 100%. I've never had this fiber. I like the colors in here. All right, what else? Oh, it's a bulky 6. Super bulky 6. Made in Italy. Made in Italy. Okay. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, they suggest a 10 millimeter knitting needle, 11.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay. There are 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 77 yards, 70 meters. Color is 4915. Care instructions. For best results, place garment in a mesh wash bag, machine wash separately in cold water on delicate cycle, lay flat to dry. Okay. This is quite soft. It's got like a thread running through it or running around it. Huh, that's interesting. It's going to be interesting crocheting with this. Yeah, okay. All right, so that's the first item. Put that there. Ooh. Moonshine. Juniper Moon Farm Moonshine. Baby alpaca wool and silk blend. Oh, that's very soft. Okay, a medium 4 weight. Oh, this is, okay. Trying to read this. 100 grams, 197 yards. 3.52 ounces, 180 meters. US 7 to 9 needle. Or 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter needle. Crochet hook 5.5 to 6.5. 40% alpaca. 40% wool, 20% silk. Okay. I don't think I've ever had alpaca either. Wow, I get to try out new yarns. Color 52, new fibers. Made in Peru. Am I off camera? Sorry. So moonshine. That's soft. Do we have a weight? What did it say for a weight? A medium 4? Looks like a thin 4, but there's somewhat of a halo. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of a halo. Okay, yay. Yay. Ooh, and what's this one? Okay, Barocco Vintage a machine washable blend, medium 4, 52 acrylic, 40 wool, 8% nylon, 4.5 millimeter needle, 5. Oh, what's going on? Knitting gauges. Okay, there's 4.5 millimeter. Those look like needles. 5 millimeter. That also looks like needles. Okay. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 200 meters, 218 yards. Made in Peru. Machine wash, inside out, in cold water, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. Did we find, what are we looking for? Color? Did we find a color? Oh, color? 51109. That's nice too. It's a beautiful wine color. Beautiful. Okay, so that was a vintage, Barocco vintage. Okay, so now we have 3. We got a big thing here. Oh, that is a gorgeous cake. What is this? Anti-pilling, DK colors. Only from Premier Yarns, exclusive. I've never had this either. Wow. Oh, that feels nice and soft and smooth. It's got a smooth, silky feeling. Okay, anti-pilling DK colors. So light 3, 5 ounces, 140 grams, 383 yards, 350 meters, 4 millimeter hook, 4 millimeter crochet hook, machine wash, warm, tumble dry, normal. Color is newspaper. Huh. Made in Turkey. 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Those are gorgeous colors. It's a gray, a light gray, a black, a red. That red just pops. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to get some pricing and tell you what I paid for this. That's everything in there. So this was a great mystery bag. I mean, if, you know, I'm not allergic to wool or anything, so this is fine. So these are some yarns I've never worked with, any of these. And there's fibers I've never worked with. And it's a nice assortment of colors too. Wow, I'm very impressed. They're Aberdeen's wool here in my country of Canada. All right, let's get some pricing. See what I paid for all this mystery yarn. Before I get you some pricing here, they have included 3 knit patterns. I don't knit. There's a hat called Essential Hat. It says Premier. I expect these are on the Premier site. Premier mock cable beanie. That's nice. And then Premier palm frond scarf. That's really nice too. I like this one the best. These are all knit patterns. I expect you can find them on their site on Premier. All right, I'll be back with pricing. Okay, so this mystery bag was $25 Canadian because this company is in Canada where I am. So $25 Canadian. Shipping was $10 Canadian. Tax was $1.75 Canadian. So the total was $36.75 for this. And the only one I could find on their that they still have, like that they sell on their site, you can actually go there and buy one skein, is this one, the Barocco Vintage, and they have these listed at $11. So if we took this $36.75 total, divided it by these four, it would be about $9.18 for each one. That's how I've calculated it. So I think it's worth it. I mean, you know, I live in Canada, things are more expensive than, say, the US. But I've never used any of these. and there's, you know, different fibers I've never used, like I mentioned before. So this is very cool. I like it. I like it. Thank you so much to Aberdeen's Wool. All right, guys, so let me know. Did you buy a mystery bag from them? Let me know what you thought of it. Put it in my Facebook group. Put a picture in my Facebook group. I would love that so, so much. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.